Good morning, happy Monday class. We are really wrapping things up here in Management 422. I took a look at your exam scores on exam 3 and the class did really well on average. So good job for that. I hope that review session helped. I just have a few quick announcements for you this week. The focus really this week is on your group project. A couple things, just wanted to clear up any confusion. There's no written report associated with that. You just need to record that 7-minute video with your group. It does need to be, you need to have a PowerPoint, and each of your group members needs to be on camera with a speaking role. Once you're done with that, oh, and by the way, take a look at the syllabus because I ask you some specific questions to cover in your presentation. So once you have a really nice, polished, finished product, then you're going to turn it in 2 places. The first place is you're going to go to the course basics section of your Cougar course container, and you're going to find the assignment drop. Just one person in your group needs to submit it via the assignment drop, and then that's one place. Then you need to go to week 16, that's next week's discussion board, and you need to submit 1 copy there. Now the due date, of course, is May 10th, so next Monday by 8 a.m. you need to submit it in both places. Super important. Now for this week, our last discussion board is a wrap-up, really. I want you to look back at what you've learned throughout the semester and think about whether how you would respond to our initial discussion board post any differently. So what does training look like for you and a company that you've worked for? And just think about, reflect on what you've learned. That's what I'm really looking for. Your grades are all up to date. I did a ton of grading this weekend, so your grades are all up to date. Take a look at those. Email me if you have any questions. We're really getting down to the end. We have this week and we have next week for your discussion board. Next week, you'll be watching a few group presentations from your fellow classmates and commenting on those. So we have 2 discussion boards left. We're getting down to the end. So reach out to me with any questions about anything, email or office hours on Wednesday morning. All right, you guys, see you next week.